In this video we'll show you how to install a Saffire LX deadbolt lock. To install the strike on a wood frame, only use the strike plate, reinforcing plate, dust box, and screws supplied. Installing the strike on a steel frame is very similar, only use the strike plate, dust box, and screws supplied. Before installing the lock, make sure the door has been prepared with the correct holes. The deadbolt is pre-set as 2-3/4 inch. 70 mm backset. If required, adjust the deadbolt to 2-3/8 inch. 60 mm backset. Install the deadbolt in the door with 2 screws. Make sure the slot is at the bottom, and the tape is still over the deadbolt. To adjust the lock handing on the outside housing assembly, make sure the inner cam doesn't rotate. For left-hand lock handing, rotate the outer cam so that the groove is at the 12 o'clock position. For right-hand lock handing, rotate the outer cam so the groove is at the 6 o'clock position. To assemble the tail piece, snap it in place with the wire ring opening rotated to 12 o'clock. Next, remove the inside cover by unscrewing a single screw and pulling the cover off. To assemble the outside housing, place the gasket onto the housing and insert the housing into the door. Remove the tape from the deadbolt. Insert the cables through the door and under the deadbolt. Align the stud and tail piece gently into the deadbolt. The tail piece must be below the deadbolt centerline. Next, to vertically install the inside trim assembly, start by running the cable through the lower slot on the back plate. Gently pull excess cable to accumulate all excess within the inside trim. Insert 3 mounting screws. However, before tightening the screws, verify the functionality of the deadbolt by rotating the tail piece from the inside. The deadbolt should move smoothly. Once this has been completed, properly tighten all the screws. Next, connect the power cables V1 and V2, and if applicable connect the communication cables W1 and W2. After connecting the cables, route them around the clips. Next, install the AA batteries. To install the inside cover, start with the tail piece in the vertical position. The knob needs to be positioned horizontally for either a left-hand or right-hand installation. With the tail piece engaged in the turn knob, engage the cover's tab with the back plate hook. As you close the cover's bottom, keep clearance to a minimum to facilitate the installation. Install and tighten the screw at the bottom. Finish the installation by removing the protective plastic film. This concludes the installation process for a Saffire LX deadbolt lock. It's now ready to be programmed. For customer service, contact dormakaba.